The most famous reindeer of all,
Charles.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny...
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a full face of Swiss Beauty products. So this video is pending since like 3 months at this point. Finally, I went on to Nykaa, bought a bunch of products from Swiss Beauty. All of them are very affordable. I have tried like 3-4 products in the past and I love them. But the base products I've never ever tried. So I'm very excited to try them out in today's video. Also, I did create this look right here. I don't think I've ever done like a smoky eye situation on my channel, and I feel like the wedding season is here, winter is here, so like darker, deeper eyes are a thing. So I thought I should share how I create this look with you guys. And in order to create this look, I am going to be using our new Simba Lifestyle brushes. So today I'm going to be using the 13 brush set. Now if you don't know, the first product that we ever launched on Simba Lifestyle were brushes, and finally we are back with our brushes. This time around we've made them better, like in terms of like the quality is amazing. It is also made in India this time around, and the entire collection is very personalized. Like I literally picked up every single brush that needed to be in this collection. The 13 brush set collection is literally every brush that you will ever need to create an entire look. It has face brushes, eye brushes, literally everything that you will need. Now the handles of these brushes are not plastic, they are wooden. We also have like a gold metal right here, and then the actual brush is synthetic. It's vegan, it's not made of animal hair. Also, can we talk about how cute are these brushes? This time around I went with a very pretty pastel color, so it's somewhere in between like a periwinkle blue and a lavender. They are going to look really cute on your vanity, and of course they're going to be very functional. I'm going to make sure to leave a link of these in the description box below. We also have a 8 brush set, so if you're someone who doesn't do too much makeup, you just like to do like everyday basic makeup, I think the 8 brush set will be perfect for you. And yeah, I think with that, let's just get started with our full face of Swiss Beauty makeup product. Okay, so let's get started. So the first product that I'm going to be using is very interesting. It is called the sunscreen spray. This is an SPF 20 mist, which isn't a lot for sunscreen, but I personally haven't seen a lot of sunscreen sprays in the Indian market, so I thought I should try this out. I'm going to try it out on my face. I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, as you can see, the mist isn't even. It's very like splotchy, and it definitely leaves like a white cast, which I'm not a fan of. But I think it could be nice for the body, not the face. You can like spray it all over your hands and your legs when you're like on the beach. So it's good to have in your bag in that sense, but not for the face. One more thing that I've noticed about Swiss Beauty is that they have really like interesting products. Another product that I saw was their sunscreen wipes, which is very weird and interesting. And then I also saw this really cool lavender face mask, which is actually lavender from the inside as well. Smells very nice. I am personally not using this right now, is because my skin has just started healing, so I don't want to like apply anything on my face that might like trigger my face. But this is like a clay mask, and this is for soothing, brightening and whitening. Okay, so for the foundation, I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Ultra Coverage HD foundation. Now this is in the shade Golden Beige 04, which is the darkest shade that was available, and I feel like this is still going to be super light on me. So it's a very thick mousse like foundation. I do feel like this is going to have good coverage. Now in order to blend this, I'm going to be using this foundation brush, the flat top foundation brush. This is what I personally really like to use, and as you can see, it blends everything so beautifully. I think this has to be one of my favorite brushes out of the set, because if I'm like in a rush and trying to like get out of the house, this just does the job so quickly. Now talking about the actual product, it is very difficult to blend. I will say that, like, you need to work really quickly with the product. Definitely not my shade, but I feel like if I had my shade in this, I would actually use it because the coverage is pretty good. It's very matte, so oily skin people will really like it and really appreciate it. But overall, I think for the price, it's a good foundation. If you're able to find a shade that matches you, I think you can go ahead with this product. Now moving on to the concealers, I actually picked up 2 shades because I knew shade was going to be like a big problem. So these are the liquid concealers, and I got the shade 06 and NO1. I feel like this is going to be too dark for me, and then the other one is going to be too light for me, so I'm just going to mix the two. And then I'm gonna go in with the same brush. I really like to use this for concealer as well. It's very, very soft and blends everything very, very quickly. Clearly, that's a huge criteria for me. I like to get things done fast. So I actually love the way this blended out, and also this has really, really good coverage. I'm very happy with this concealer. I think you can definitely go and pick this up. It's so creamy, blends like a dream, has good coverage as I mentioned earlier. Obviously shade is again a little bit of an issue. If you're able to find a right shade, I think it's a great concealer. Also, it doesn't crease. Like once you blend it out, it kind of sets. Obviously I am going to go in with a powder, but either ways I think it looks amazing. Now in order to set my face, I'm going to be using the Swiss Beauty Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Banana. Also comes with this sponge, by the way. So I'm going to take this and just dab it underneath my eyes to set everything in place. I'm going to dust off the excess, and for that I'm going to go in with this fluffy powder brush. You can use this for contour also. Like if I'm bronzing, I'll use this for like a quick contour slash bronze. It's very, very fluffy and again very, very soft. I am going in with the powder again, and I just want to dust it all over my face because I am oily and I will get oily within literally a few minutes. So I'm just quickly powdering my entire face. So I think my base looks really nice so far. I actually really, really like it. The powder I was a little bit skeptical about initially, but I think looks pretty good overall. It also did a very good job at like setting my face. So I would give that also a thumbs up. Again, another product that I couldn't necessarily find was a bronzer slash contour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette that I got, and I'm going to be using these brown shades just to kind of slightly contour slash bronze my face. And in order to do that, I'm going to be using this round brush. Now this you can use for blush also, or to set your under eyes as well. I have been really liking this for contouring. The reason why I really like it for contouring is because it's very like tiny, and you can like really precisely like angle your brush and get in there. I like to use this for my nose contour as well, like so. So I'm gonna quickly use a little bit of this metallic eyeshadow as my blush. I want a little bit more color on my cheeks. I'm gonna go in with the blush brush. This is I think my favorite brush ever. I don't know why. It just blends everything so beautifully. Definitely got a little bit glittery, but I'm fine with it. Let me actually swatch this product for you. It's a very, very beautiful eyeshadow. I'm definitely going to be using this for the Shardi season. Also, it's very, very creamy. Pigmented to hai, wo to you can see. And it's a very beautiful metallic. Like there isn't a lot of chunky in it. It's like a true metallic shade. So I'm definitely going to try more shades in this, and I will give this a big thumbs up. Now we're almost done with the base. I just need to finish off with my highlighter. So this is the highlighter that we're going to be using. This is the Swiss Beauty Fusion Highlighter. This is what it looks like. I picked up like a beautiful champagne shade. I love champagne highlights on me personally. I'm going to pick this up using this highlighter brush. Now this is a very different highlighter brush, as you can see. It's not like a usual fan brush. I'm not the biggest fan of fan brushes anymore. I used to like them, but I feel like they don't do like enough justice. How beautiful is this? I feel like this brush specifically picks up the product and lays it exactly where you need it to lay. This is such a beautiful highlight. I can't stop applying it. It's so, so pretty. I love this highlighter. So far, I think this is my favorite product that I've used. The color is very pretty. It's a very like finely milled highlighter. Blends like a dream, very buildable also. The price point obviously is amazing. So I will definitely recommend this. So good. So we're done with our base, and I've used all the 5 base brushes right here. Now we can move on to the eyes. Okay, so I usually like to begin with my eyebrows. So this is the product that came for the eyebrows. Now this is called the 2-in-1 eyebrow and gel eyeliner product. I really like the packaging. So it comes with the actual product, and then it also comes with a brush. So when you open it, ऊपर है eyebrow product, and then यहाँ पे नीचे है gel eyeliner. Very, very cool. I like these multi-purpose products a lot. But one thing that I have to say is that I cannot use this eyebrow product. It's black. I cannot use black stuff on my brows. I have to use a brown or like a dark brown on my brows. So I'm not going to be using this. We'll probably use this for our eyeshadow. I'll use it, don't worry. And we'll also use the gel eyeliner later on. So I'm just going to go in with this palette again, and I'm going to pick up the dark brown right here and use it to fill in my eyebrows. And I'm going to be using our eyebrow brush. So on one end it has the eyebrow brush, the angular brush, and then on the other end there's a spoolie. It was so important for me to have a spoolie because I can never do my brows without a spoolie. So I wanted one brush to have both the things in it. Now I have actually used the Swiss Beauty eyeshadows in the past, and I have recommended them to you as well. So I know how they work very well, like pigmented, blend also really well, and as you can see, it's very good for eyebrows as well. I love using this brush for my eyebrows because it's so angular and it's so sharp. It gives you very beautiful like crisp lines. And then I'm just using the spoolie to brush everything out. Now this kit comes with 8 eye brushes, including the eyebrow brush that we used. So this is going to be enough for you to create any eye look. There are lots of blending brushes, lots of brushes for your lower lashes. I've even created a special brush for your inner corner highlight as well. I'll show you everything in just a bit. So for today, I'm going to be creating a smoky eye. I want to test out this palette and see how good of a job it's going to do in order to create a smoky eye. So I'm going to start off with this light brown color and dust it all over my eyes with the biggest fluffy brush that we have. Do you see how pigmented the eyeshadows are? But they blend very well, and I really enjoy using this big fluffy brush because it just gets the job done in literally like 5 strokes. Then I'm going to go in with this slightly smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to pick up this dark brown shade and concentrate it right here. We're just deepening up the crease before we go in with the black. We want a nice like gradient happening. So it's important to like build the shadows. Taking the big fluffy brush that we used earlier, blending it out again. So I've noticed personally, whenever you do like these crazy colors or like a smoky eye, it's very important to like blend after each step, तो ही वो एकदम beautiful like ombre gradient लगता है. One more pro tip is to have one like spare brush which is completely unused. So this is my brush. This is again a fluffy brush. I usually don't use this to like dip inside the product. I just keep it clean, and then I use this clean just to blend out the edges ताकि फिर से एकदम ही seamless हो. So this is the third fluffy brush that we've used. Then I'm taking this slightly tapered brush. This I'm going to be using on my lower lash line. So I'm going to pick up the 2 browns that we use and just smoke that out. Whatever eyeshadows you use on your top lid, make sure to use them on your lower lash line as well to create kind of like a balance. So जैसे top lid के लिए एक spare fluffy brush है, वैसे ही मैं एक spare brush रखती हूँ for my lower lash line to kind of blend it all out. And I've added like a few extra fluffy brushes in case you're doing like multiple colors on your eyes. Abhi to filhal we're just working with one family, which is like browns and blacks. But if you're doing like a crazy look wherein there are like 2-3 colors involved, it's nice to have all of these spare brushes. Now I'm going to pick up a little bit of black with my fluffy brush, and then I'm just going to concentrate it ekdam hi inner corners mein. We're going to build this up slowly. To finish the smoky eye, I'm going to use this gel eyeliner that we didn't use initially, and then I'm using this flat brush to pick up the product. Now this flat brush can be used to pick up pigments also. Here obviously I'm using a gel eyeliner, and then I'm just placing this all over my eye. Very pigmented this is. It's black. It's very nice. I really like it so far. And then blending this out with the black eyeshadow. It has become like a tutorial more than a Swiss Beauty review, but I feel like I finally like nailed how to do like a smoky eye, so I wanted to share it with you guys. We are almost done. I'm just going to add a little bit of an inner corner highlight. I'm going to pick up this shade right here, like a beautiful rose gold champagne shade, with my inner corner highlight brush. I made this especially for my inner corners. Do you see how beautifully it just like lays the product? It's the perfect size. I was never able to find a brush that could like help me with my inner corner highlight, and also I usually have like long nails, so it's very difficult for me to apply the product in my inner corners without like making a mess. So this brush does it for me. I'm done with one eye. Let me go and finish the other one and I'll give you my final thoughts. I'm also going to go ahead and pop on the Swiss Beauty lashes. Okay, so I'm back. Now let me talk about the eyeshadow palette first. I love this eyeshadow palette. It's so nice, blends beautifully. I knew that already, but I had never really like tested out the blacks and the browns. So it's very, very nice. I think you can go ahead and pick this up. It comes in a bunch of different like color stories, so you can pick whatever that you like. Next, talking about this eyeliner. It is so good. I honestly wasn't expecting much from it. Like when I put it on my lid and when I started blending it out, I thought that shit was gonna go down. It was gonna look bad. But it blended out so well. So usually when I'm doing a smoky eye, I like to use the L'Oreal's gel eyeliner, and that obviously blends beautifully. This one also blends out like a dream. It's so nice. I will highly recommend this. I don't know how long it lasts, obviously, because I just used it for the first time, but for like my first impressions, it's really good. And these lashes I've recommended to you guys quite a few times. I don't think you can actually see that I'm wearing lashes because of how like intense my eyeshadow is, but they're really good lashes, very inexpensive. I think they're for like 100 rupees. Lots of different styles for you to choose from. You can wear them multiple like number of times, and they're very nice, very good. Now before I finish up the lip, I just want to talk about these two products right here. I'm not going to be able to use them, but I did pick them up just so that I could give you guys a review. So these are the loose foil pigments from Swiss Beauty. Again, something that I have tried in the past, and it is to die for. It is so pretty. I'm going to give you like a quick swatch. I'm definitely using this rose gold shade for the wedding in some outfit. I don't know which outfit, but I will be using it. It's just so pigmented and so beautiful, and it doesn't like give you like major fallout. Thoda sa fallout hoga, so maybe you can do your eyes before you do your base, but this loose pigment is amazing. Again, comes in so many different colors. It's such like a hidden gem, I feel. And then we have this eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I really like the packaging. Like it feels very like rich and very like, I don't know, heavy and nice. Again, this is a product I tested out for you guys already. I really like it. Like it's a nice black eyeliner. I would say pretty decent for the price. I also like the brush applicator, very thin and very nice and good for wings. Finally, let's finish up the lips. I'm gonna start off with this lip liner, which I'm gonna tell you that I have already used and I hate it. It's very drying, and it honestly feels more like an eyebrow pencil than a lip liner. It's not smooth, it's not creamy, it's not buttery, it's not pigmented. It's nothing that a lip liner should be. So I'm actually just gonna pass this. Don't waste your money on this. Even though it is very affordable, I don't think it's worth buying it. Whereas this lip product, so this is the matte lip by Swiss Beauty. This is, I think, one of my favorite products from them. I love the red shade also from their range. It's very beautiful, very matte, very pigmented. I love these. Like you can pick up a bunch of these. They have a lot of colors in this as well. And this is what my final look looks like. I am actually very happy with the way this makeup turned out. I'm very happy with actually all the products, to be very honest. I really like how my base looks. I'm gonna give the foundation a thumbs up. Concealer also, the powder was also fab. I think the only thing that I didn't like was the lip pencil, but other than that everything was great. If I have to pick like my absolute favorite, I think it's gonna be the highlighter. I am definitely using the highlighter and adding it in my beauty bag, especially my wedding bag. It's a very beautiful like wedding glow highlighter. Like it's very difficult for me to explain, but if you want a highlighter, a cheap affordable highlighter, check out the description box and definitely pick it up for you. Also, don't forget to go check out our Simba Lifestyle brushes. The ones that I used today was the set of 13. You can also check out the set of 8 if that's something that you want. I'm gonna make sure to link these in the description box. As always, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!